Alrighty guys, today we're going to be drawing a British Shorthair. So these cats are really cute, really precious. They have really round faces, really round eyes, really round heads. So we're going to start with the eyes here. We're drawing this upside down U shape and then a little line on the outside here. And then we'll draw the inside of the eye. So we're going to draw this circle and this circle. So pretty big eyes. Then we're going to draw a tiny circle and then another tiny circle. Another circle. And then we're going to color in the medium-sized one. I know I'm going kind of fast, but you guys, please take your time. No need to rush here. Alright, we got the eyes. Beautiful eyes. We're going to draw some eyebrows. So we're drawing a cartoon kitty. Just going to make this one a little bit longer. Alright, good. We're going to draw a teeny tiny little nose. Little triangle. Little line for the snout. And then we're going to draw this adorable smile here. Goes up, and then a little line there. Goes up, and then a little line there. And then we're going to draw a little line for his chin. Oh, that's so cute. Isn't that adorable? Alright, we're going to draw this straight line for the top of his head. These cats aren't very fluffy. They're short hairs, so not a lot of fluff going on. We're going to draw two triangles. And then we'll draw the inside of the ears here. Down and meets at the corner. And then another line here. Another line here. And then boop, boop. Boop, very round face. Same thing here. Boop, 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 boop. So there's his head. I'm gonna draw him lying down. So here's a little bit of fluff here. Go down to his arm and his paw here. And let's go ahead and draw those toes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and up there. So there's his paw. Then we just need to finish drawing the rest of the arm. So we go up. And of course we have to draw a connecting line here so that we can draw the other arm. Go down and slightly in, just slightly, ever so slightly, then back down. And we're gonna do the same thing we did with the other one. Basically, we're gonna draw toes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna go back up. We come from this side to draw the rest of the arm. Boop, boop. All right, guys, we're almost done. We just have to draw basically the hind leg, the back, and the tail. That's it. We have his tummy. And then we have his back. Boop. So now all we got to do right here is draw that hind leg. But it's going to be a little bit different. We're going to draw like this backward C shape. And then we're going to draw the actual paw. So 1, 2, 3. We can only see 3 toes from this angle. And then we'll draw some fluff. Beautiful. All that's left is the tail. We're gonna go whoop, boop, whoop, and then we're gonna go do the same thing essentially on this side. Boop. And there you have it, guys. So I made mine gray, but they come in all different colors, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.